Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
No.
Mr. Lover, now Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.
Da-da-da, we're dead. Da-da-da, we're doomed.
Nobody believes in you. You lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and saying to yourself, it's not over until I win.
Hiccup, you're on, lad. Lesson 5. Know your dragon's shot limit. The Night Fury has enough fuel for 3 blasts. 4. Definitely 5. You wait here, I'll go and get my notes.